Want to boost your hydration with added health benefits? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best hydrogen water bottles on Amazon, perfect for infusing your water with extra antioxidants and refreshing hydration on the go. From easy-to-use designs to long battery life and powerful hydrogen generation, these bottles make wellness simple and portable. Stick around to find the best one for your lifestyle. And don't forget to subscribe so you always get the latest on top health and hydration tech. At number 1 we have BUZIO Hydrogen Water Bottle. Enriched with antioxidant properties, the hydrogen water generated by this bottle helps neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, aid in muscle recovery, and improve sleep quality. It's thoughtful birthday gifts for athletes, office workers, and wellness enthusiasts. Equipped with DuPont's latest proton exchange membrane, BUZIO Hydrogen Water Bottle efficiently produces up to 4,000 ppb of hydrogen-rich alkaline water in just 10 minutes/1600 ppb 5 minutes. The special drain vent at the bottle base expels excess ozone, chlorine, and other harmful gases, ensuring the production of ozone-free, metal-free weekly alkaline water. Equipped with an intuitive OLED display, this hydrogen water machine allows you to easily monitor the hydrogen concentration in ppb, track the countdown timer for water readiness, and check the battery level at a glance. It features a non-slip pad for secure positioning and a robust sealing ring in the lid to maintain optimal hydrogen levels and prevent leakage. At number 2 we have PUREPEBRIX Hydrogen Water Bottle. Start your day with a clean boost. This hydrogen water bottle uses advanced SPE/PIM electrolysis to fill every sip with pure molecular hydrogen, up to 6,400 ppb. It's fresh, smooth, and energizing, like drinking clean mountain air in a bottle. Lab tested by H2 Analytics and SGS, this hydrogen water bottle delivers real, measurable hydrogen concentration and unmatched purity. Built with platinum iridium electrodes for long-lasting performance, no gimmicks, just proven science that works. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or winding down after work, hydrogen-rich water helps your body bounce back. Sip from your hydrogen water bottle and feel the difference, hydrated, balanced, and ready to go again. One button, one bottle, endless freshness. Compact and easy to carry, your hydrogen water bottle fits perfectly in your bag or cup holder. Take it to work, the gym, or outdoors, stay refreshed anytime, anywhere. Crafted from BPA-free Trident with a sleek, modern design, this hydrogen water bottle feels as good as it looks. At number 3 we have PIURIFY Hydrogen Water Bottle. Third-party tested and certified by H2 Analytics, delivering up to 4,100 plus ppb molecular hydrogen concentration using advanced SPE/PIM technology. Expels harmful byproducts like chlorine, ozone, and hydrogen peroxide for pure H2 enrichment. Engineered for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, delivering hydrogen-rich water that supports enhanced performance and recovery. Perfect for gym, outdoor training, and competitive sports with portable design and 10 ounces capacity. Stay hydrated at home, office, fitness center, or outdoors. Features dual cycle options, 5-minute cycle for 1,600 ppb or 10-minute cycle for up to 4,100 plus ppb concentration, with 6-hour hydrogen retention. For added flexibility, the bottle also includes a nasal cannula, giving you the option to drink hydrogen-infused water or inhale molecular hydrogen. 3-step operation with digital OLED ppb display. Simply fill with water, select your cycle, 5 or 10 minutes, and enjoy pure hydrogen water. Durable construction with premium materials for lasting performance. At number 4 we have PUREPEBRIX Hydrogen Water Bottle. Start your day with a clean boost using this hydrogen water bottle, powered by advanced SPE/PIM electrolysis that infuses every sip with pure molecular hydrogen up to 8,100 ppb for a fresh, smooth, and energizing hydration experience, like clean mountain air in a bottle. Lab tested by H2 Analytics and SGS, it delivers real, measurable hydrogen concentration with unmatched purity, using platinum iridium electrodes for long-lasting, proven performance. Whether you're working out, running errands, or relaxing after a long day, hydrogen-rich water helps support faster recovery and overall balance, keeping you hydrated and refreshed. Designed for simplicity, this one-button, portable bottle fits easily in your bag or cup holder, making it perfect for work, the gym, or outdoor use. Crafted from BPA-free Trident with a sleek modern look, it features a rechargeable battery lasting up to 20 cycles per charge. Backed by PUREPEBRIX with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical assurance, every bottle is built for reliability, confidence, and everyday wellness. At number 5 we have EVOLV Hydrogen Water Bottle. 5.4 ppm hydrogen concentration. The EVOLV hydrogen water generator delivers 5.4 ppm of H2 using advanced SPE/PEM tech, up to 13x more than others. Just 3 bottles of hydrogenated water a day to meet your daily hydrogen intake. Certified hydrogen purity dual third-party tested by H2 Analytics and H2 delivering up to 5.4 ppm hydrogen. Unlike other hydrogen water bottles, EVOLV is gas chromatography tested for accurate H2 and reliable hydrogenated water. Trusted safety, quality and performance. This hydrogen water generator features a built-in exhaust valve to remove chlorine and ozone. Made from BPA-free, chemical-free materials and tested by SGS to ensure safe ionized hydrogen water and zero heavy metal leaching, unlike cheaper alternatives. Premium materials and durability. This hydrogen water bottle uses German food-grade polycarbonate, Japanese SPE/PEM tech, and Nafion N115 for ultra-pure hydrogen production. Withstands 150 psi to infuse more H2 into 8 ounces of hydrogenated water with chlorine/ozone exhaust. At number 6 we have Fralaz hydrogen water bottle. This hydrogen water bottle delivers quick hydrogen generation. Simply fill the cup to 80%, press the button, and within just 3 minutes it produces high-concentration hydrogen-rich water as the blue indicator light activates. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, it offers excellent transparency, safety, and durability, while the tightly sealed lid with a thick sealing ring helps preserve hydrogen concentration. Advanced technology effectively separates hydrogen and oxygen to generate alkaline, hydrogen-enriched water for clean, high-quality hydration anytime. Designed for convenience, both the top and bottom can be easily unscrewed for effortless cleaning and maintenance. Ideal for home, office, workouts, or travel, this hydrogen water bottle also makes a thoughtful gift for fitness lovers and anyone looking to naturally support energy, recovery, and overall wellness. At number 7 we have EVOLV hydrogen water bottle. The EVOLV hydrogen water bottle adopts advanced SPE/PEM electrolysis technology to generate ultra-pure hydrogen water with concentrations up to 6,400 ppb, which is 30% higher than other hydrogen water generators on the market. The base of the hydrogen water machine features air holes that effectively discharge waste gases like oxygen and residual chlorine, ensuring every sip is pure and safe. Our hydro water bottle is equipped with an upgraded 2000 mAh high-capacity battery, supporting up to 100 minutes of hydrogen generation on a single charge, 10 times 10-minute cycles or 20 times 5-minute cycles. This hydrogen water bottle generator is made from premium food-grade materials with a 100% leak-proof seal, ensuring durability, safety, and peace of mind. Compact and portable, 7 ounces, the hydro generator provides fresh hydrogen water anytime, at the gym, office, home, outdoors, or during travel. Simply fill the bottle 60 to 80% with water, press one button, and get fresh hydrogen-rich water in just 5 minutes. At number 8 we have MOVOCA hydrogen water bottle. 3 minutes to completely change the hydration effect. MOVOCA hydrogen water bottle uses advanced SPE and PEM electrolysis technology to generate up to 2200 ppb of hydrogen ions in just 3 minutes. This powerful hydration boost enhances your water with active hydrogen, ideal for improving hydration during workouts, at home, at work, or while traveling. Perfect health gift. Drinking hydrogen water not only promotes improved metabolism, but also significantly enhances immune defenses, help improve sleep quality, muscle recovery and reduces physical fatigue after fitness activities, giving you more energy, healthier body in your daily life. And the hydrogen water bottle generator is a great ideal health gift for husband, wife, friends, family on occasions like Christmas, birthdays, Thanksgiving, New Year, Father and Mother's Day, anniversaries. Upgraded leak-proof and food-grade materials. 15 ounces capacity meets everyone's needs. Our hydrogen water bottle machine with FDA certification is made of high-quality food-grade borosilicate glass to ensure safety. At number 9 we have Shunrenful hydrogen water bottle. This upgraded hydrogen water bottle uses advanced SPE and PEM ion membrane technology to electrolyze all water types, including purified and distilled water, transforming ordinary water into hydrogen-rich alkaline water with a concentration of 1,000 to 1,600 parts per billion in just 3 minutes. Featuring innovative ion membrane technology, it safely separates hydrogen and oxygen without producing chlorine, generating fine bubbles in high-quality hydrogen water with a simple one-button operation, making it especially senior-friendly and easy to use. Crafted from durable, Food-grade high borosilicate glass, this travel-friendly bottle is USB rechargeable and delivers up to 10 hours of continuous use or around 30 cycles per charge, ensuring reliable hydration on hikes, outdoor adventures, workouts, or daily routines. With a generous 420 milliliters capacity, it supports an active lifestyle by helping combat oxidative stress, enhance metabolism, improve sleep, and promote healthier-looking skin, while the PEM proton exchange membrane technology produces over 1,200 parts per billion hydrogen to help fight free radicals and visible aging. At number 10 we have H2 Origin Pulse Hydrogen Water Bottle. Advanced hydrogen generation up to 9,000 parts per billion, the H2 Origin Pulse features state-of-the-art SPE and PEM technology for efficient hydrogen infusion. Choose between a quick 3-minute saturation for 2,000 parts per billion or an extended 18-minute mode for up to 9,000 parts per billion, tailored to meet your hydration needs efficiently. Dual mode for drinking and inhalation. Enhance your wellness routine by using the inhalation mode to directly breathe in hydrogen or enjoy it as antioxidant-enriched drinking water, both designed to support overall wellness. Versatile hydrogen water spray. The included spray bottle is perfect for a refreshing mist anytime, anywhere. Use it to lightly spray your face or body, providing a soothing hydration experience. Universal compatibility with special adapter. Equipped with a special adapter, interactive LED display and colorful light show, features an LED screen for easy control, with water that illuminates in various colors during hydrogen production, adding a visual flair to your hydration experience.